This is disgusting. There's so much meat.
Oh yeah, I love it. Brisket.
Brisket.
Wonderful. So much fun.
We're going to head back to Townsville, pick up the caravan and head back the other way, back to Bowen. Like I said previously, do a bit of snorkeling there. Got no idea what's there, so we'll just have a look around and head on somewhere else. Don't know where yet.
Oh, probably from there. Thinking maybe 1770, Yeppoon.
Yeah.
We'll just see where the wind blows us.
Yeah.
Couldn't get any accommodation, so we come across the showgrounds and they got the speedway on tonight. So yeah, cool. Cost us 25 each to get in here for the speedway, but the camping's free. So shit, yeah, we'll watch a bit of speedway and enjoy the night. And we got heaps of food by the looks. Win-win.
What?
What do you Phyllis Dilla?
Yeah.
What do we get?
This is disgusting. There's so much meat.
Oh yeah, I love it. Brisket and gravy.
Ribs. Brisket in potato.
Brisket in potato. Oh my god, that's enough for 10 men.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll cook it later for something else, eh? It's a World War II historic site.
Oh.
Yeah. The RAAF station, Bowen. A few dark patches out there by the looks, so hopefully that's good snorkeling. And here she goes.
Get yourself a drink, Philip. For goodness sake.
Oh, I didn't expect this. This is nice. Bit of live music, you know?
Port out of Pittsburgh, rolling down the eastern seaboard.
Alright, if you're looking for a base camp just outside of Mackay, we are staying at Rockhampton Park. It's quite a big area for caravans. You've got all this opened area down here. But along this edge where we are parked are all powered sites. So for powered, it's $20 overnight for 2 people, or unpowered is $15. Toilets and showers just up there. It's nice and quiet, grassy area, and it's cheap. Now there is a dirt road that comes in for 1 kilometre. It is very bumpy, but easy enough access. I'm trying to show you the map at this park because there are trails that you can go for walks on. Every time I go over there I keep getting swooped by a magpie, so too bad you're not going to see it. There he is up there. There's basically no internet service out here either. And this is the dirt road you have to go down. It's a wee bit bumpy, it's fine though.
Yeah, it's pretty much rough as guts. This part here's alright, but down further it's rough as guts, but it's only 1 kilometre long. And it's only 15 kilometres an hour anyway. So, no big deal.
Yep, take your time and you'll be right.
Yeah. There's a fairly big dip here, but they've got it signposted. And if you hit it too hard, well, you're speeding anyway. Navigate to Travelling Queensland. Wonderful. So much fun. We're on the Bruce Highway, about 8 kilometres out of Marlborough. We just filled up with fuel at a Caltex service station, and we've broken down. The car just started playing up. We're lucky to have this to pull into, and I'm thinking, of course, diesel car, I've put petrol in. Nah, got the receipt, rang them up, they sent me a receipt. It was diesel, because I was positive I put diesel in. So now we've got to worry that it's not bad fuel. And it was $2 bloody a litre.
Yeah, it's expensive, hey? That's all right. We've got RAA road assistance, so we're just waiting for a guy from Rockhampton to come out and tow the car, and he'll put the car on his truck and tow the caravan back into Rockhampton and work on it tomorrow.
Sounds like it's going to be a couple of hours, so we're in the caravan, we don't care. It's all part of travelling. Yep. It's all part of it. Not happy. See ya, baby. Sad day. Let's just hope Mitsubishi are good with their warranty. Righto, as you already know by now, the car broke down, verdict's in, we blew the motor up, and unfortunately, because we did a ECU firmware upgrade, it voided our warranty. So not so happy days for us at the moment, but we just want to let you guys know what's happening, and just so you know, it's not all roses on a trip doing this. It's the best time of your life. It can be the best experience of your life, but you've got to take the good with the bad. and this is pretty bad. It's going to cost us a fortune. Whether we don't know what we're doing, whether we keep going, don't keep going. We've got some big decisions to make. As you can probably tell with the background, we've had to fly home. We're waiting on. We've got a couple options with the motor: reconditioned, second hand, a new one. And the new one looks like it's completely out, just beyond ridiculous price. Anyway, so we're thinking at this stage second hand. So it is what it is. It's life, and just get on with it, and just be happy and move forward.
Yeah.
Just roll with the punches. Too bad.
Exactly right. It's not the end of the world, you know.
Well, nearly.
We didn't have an accident.
Yeah. Go be grateful. No one's hurt. No one, on the roads these days, and accidents and whatever else. Look, this is, other people are going through a lot more than what we are with this.
And I've got to say, why is it that a lot of engines are blowing up at the moment? And
talking to our mechanic and a few other people,
and we're not just talking about the Mitsubishis. Other vehicles have ended up on the back of the tow utes.
Yeah.
But just a warning. So be very careful of what you do when you're still under warranty, because as far as we knew, we weren't doing anything, over the top, or, we just thought we were helping the car run better, and had no idea that was going to void our warranty. Otherwise, there's no way in the world we would have done that.
Exactly. Well, no way. Of course you wouldn't.
Yeah.
And look, to any haters out there, because there's going to be people saying, there's going to be people saying, look at the size of the van you're towing, this, that, and the other. Look, our van empty is 22.5 or something like that. I'll take a photo of it and all the rest, but it's not here, because unfortunately that's another story. But when it's full, I think we're up around 2,600. The car's had a GVM upgrade.
Yeah.
We're well on, our rooftop tent only weighs around 50 kgs.
Yeah. We're completely legal.
We're completely under and legal.
Yes.
We've done everything like that to make sure that we are. But haters are going to hate, so that's fine. And I don't care. Look, we love comments, good or bad. We don't care. It's just everyone's got an opinion.
Yeah.
But we just wanted to let people know the facts before you have your opinion.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, we've had to leave. We've been back here, 2 weeks.
Yeah.
We've had to leave the car up there to get repaired. But where we're back here, we're trying to get it. Like a trade-in. We got a really good deal from the guys back here, but it just got stuffed around in the end. They really did try and look after us. But the freight, we could have got it towed back for $2,000, but then the company said, no, it's going to be $6,000 because the motor's blown. We didn't know that. We can't win any which way we go.
Just blow after blow.
Yeah. Anyway, there's more to the story, but other than that, but the thing is, the Caravan is still over in Queensland, and we're actually paying for the Caravan to be there. It's at Rockhampton Caravan Discovery Park. The people there were amazing.
They've been so good.
They gave us a fantastic rate per day. So we're just leaving it there plugged into power. And so we'll probably be heading back, second-hand motor, hitching up and coming home.
Yeah, yep.
With even less money now. That's life.
Yeah. It is what it is. So, and where we go from here, who knows?
Oh, we got no idea.
We'll keep
what
you
we're
updated.
Gonna do.
Yeah, and see what happens.
Yeah. Anyway.
Over and out.
Thanks, guys.